Hello everyone, I am Alejandra Melo from La Salle University in Bogota, Colombia. I want to share this video with you regarding privacy and confidentiality in instructional design, based on chapters 5 and 6 of Tabani's book on ethics and global perspectives. We will be addressing the following issues in this video: privacy as a social value and as an individual good. What is data mining and why is it considered controversial, and why does online access to public records pose problems for personal privacy? First of all, I found some definitions from different authors in Tavani's chapters 5 and 6, where they are both refer as an individual good but also as affecting social the whole society. Here are some of those, and I consider that it is an individual good, but it is also something that gets to affect the whole society. At the end, here we can see that what it encloses the whole thing. Privacy is understood as not solely concerned within an individual good, but contributing as to the broader social good. It is individual, for each individual has got the right to his own privacy, but when we, as Priscilla Regan states, as we override the interest benefiting the social good, we are concerning individual privacy as well. What is data mining and why is it considered controversial? Data mining are some techniques used by different data analyzers, where they get all the profiles and the information that is considered public from the consumers, and they, based on the patterns, they relate it or classify it within certain groups. Data collected as used in data mining application is considered neither confidential nor intimate in nature. Therefore, that's why it's so controversial, because there is no law that protects us as users from data mining. Why does online access to public records pose problems for personal privacy? First of all, because public records are accessible to the general public, so therefore you can do, well, there is data mining going on there. Information gathered by different companies can be shared with third parties, and then they can have us or lead us to different things regarding on what we usually search, what we usually look at in the internet. Thank you very much for watching.